Hey friends, if you encounter a suspicious secure system process in Task Manager, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's the thing. This can either be a genuine process, in which case it is very important for saving credit card information, and the other would be that it is a malware. To isolate the possibility of it being a malware, search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on this option, which is the malware removal tool, MRT. Okay, it needs a few seconds to load. It's a slow app. Now click on next, select full scan and click on next and let it scan through. This is even better than Windows security as far as malware alone is concerned. So this will clear your doubt. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.